Are you ready to start your business? Let's start with creating your company. If you think starting a company in the US is a complicated task, let us guide you through the easy steps you need to take in order to register your company. Let's begin with choosing a unique name for your company. Then find a registered agent who can take care of all the legal notices and paperwork. Now you need to file the articles of organization, pay the state fee, and once the state approves your application, your company is officially registered. At this point, you'll need an operating agreement which will define the rules of operating your business. Finally, you'll have to apply for an EIN or employer identification number in order to get your tax ID number. Once the IRS has assigned it, you'll be able to open bank accounts and apply for licenses and permits. Don't worry, if this feels like a lot of work and you're still unsure about how to go about it, Rex Legal can help you start your company in the quickest and the most efficient manner possible. With our team of experts, you've got nothing to worry about. So what are you waiting for? Visit us and let's get started today. Rex Legal.